Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best infant car seat on the market, the Chicco Keyfit 30 Cleartex infant seat in extra base bundle in Cala Gray. If you're a new parent or looking for a reliable and safe car seat for your little one, this might just be the perfect choice. Right off the bat, what sets the Chicco Keyfit 30 apart is its reputation for being one of the easiest infant car seats to install. Installation can be a real headache for many parents, but Chicco has simplified the process with two bubble level indicators and a spring-loaded leveling foot to ensure the base is at the proper angle in your vehicle seat. Along with premium latch connectors, it offers a secure and straightforward attachment that you can trust every time you use it. The bundle includes not just the infant car seat but also an extra base, which is great for families with more than one vehicle. This means you can easily transfer the seat between cars without the hassle of uninstalling and reinstalling the base every time. The base itself features the Super Cinch latch tightener, which multiplies the force applied to secure the seat, making it much easier to get that snug fit. Compatibility is another strong point of the Keyfit 30. It clicks securely into the stay-in-car base as well as compatible Chicco strollers. This makes it ideal for parents on the go, allowing you to move your baby seamlessly from the car to the stroller without disturbing them. The carry handle has two positions and a one-hand release mechanism, which makes it simple to remove and carry, even with one hand. From day one, the Keyfit 30 caters to newborns with a removable infant head and body support insert. This insert cradles smaller infants safely and comfortably during those first rides. The seat is designed for babies weighing between 4 to 30 pounds and up to 30 inches tall, covering a great range as your baby grows. Comfort and convenience continue with an adjustable, large canopy that provides ample shade from the sun, perfect for protecting your baby during sunny days or while traveling. The seat pad is machine washable, making cleanup hassle-free when spills or messes inevitably happen. Safety features are paramount, and Chicco's design includes the reclined shore leveling foot and ride bubble level indicators, helping parents achieve the correct installation angle easily. Additionally, the smooth underside of the base protects your vehicle seat from damage, which is a thoughtful detail often overlooked in car seat designs. Overall, the Chicco Keyfit 30 Cleartex infant seat in extra base bundle is a solid investment for safety, comfort, and ease of use. Its thoughtful features like easy installation, stroller compatibility, newborn inserts, and washable fabrics make it a well-rounded choice for any family. If you want a reliable infant car seat that grows with your baby and keeps them secure and comfortable from day one, the Chicco Keyfit 30 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews. See you next time.